Hello my crafty friends, it's Tiffany and I'm here today with your tip number 11 of our 20 days of getting your craft supplies organized. My big tip for you today, don't fear the rainbow. We have a tendency to organize all our different types of supplies by type rather than this philosophy that I call combine and conquer. Keep things together you use together and make it as easy as you can to find what you need and to use not only your supplies but what you know in your head. And putting all of your things together by rainbow when they don't fit into any other category, so you know I've got the 4-section system, right? You've got alphabets and numbers, themes and sentiments, calendar year, everything else goes in the rainbow. So as I flip through here, you'll notice I've got envelopes and ribbons and frames and bling and flowers and tags, everything grouped by color. What is the benefit of this? It's multifold. Number one benefit is that if you need red brads, you can flip to your red section and see instantly if you have red brads, right? If they're not there, then you know you get to do a little shopping. But anything that you need in that color group is here. So if you look at your project and you say, this project needs red, and you flip to the red section, you're gonna see all of your red options in one place. It's easy to pull them out. It's easy to put them back when you're done with it because you know where they go. Everything is in red. The other thing that happens when you start combining things by color is that you begin using more of your knowledge. So maybe you took a class in microbeads or with twine or buttons or flowers or glitter or something else, and you've completely forgotten that you learned that skill, that you know how to use those products. Well, when you're flipping through and seeing all of the different things that you've got, it also triggers your memory. Oh, bottle caps, remember those? Super fun, perfect on this card. I know how to use them. Now I'm reminded that I have them. So organizing your supplies by color makes it so much easier to find what you need. When you buy new things, it's easy to know exactly where to put them away. So that means you're more likely to put them away rather than kind of bury them in your closet somewhere. You're going to use more of not only what you have, but of what you know, because just by seeing those things, you're more motivated to actually use them. You don't have to go looking for them. Boom, they're right in front of you and they're really easy to find and really easy to use. So my tip for you today is don't fear the rainbow. Start grouping your supplies together by color. So if they're not alphabets or numbers, themes or sentiments, or the calendar year, group them together by color. You'll be able to find them, use them, put them away. Everything will get that much easier and you'll use more of your supplies more often. Thanks for tuning in today. I will see you tomorrow.